guys come. So guys,
oh, don't worry about it. It's okay.
We are getting Thanksgiving stuff, so it's busy. So I'm about to eat a croissant. I'm about to eat a croissant. We're jumping in the front. Yeah.
How you got me in my feeling like that? Why my homie telling me that I should fall back? Going for a girl like you is so dangerous. Wait for me, baby. When she make that thing, bada bang, bada bang.
So guys, we were in the back, but my mom just left to go get some more food. We're at Ceramic Produce. I don't know if you guys saw that, but right there, we're at Service Produce, Ceramic Produce. We're here in the car with my baby sister, right? Ah! Okay. I'm eating right now because I'm hungry. It's like 10:45 a.m. I'm so tired. I tried staying up all night yesterday. But yeah, it's the day before Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is tomorrow. Oh my God. This guy right here, literally, just got into his car. Anyway, tomorrow is Thanksgiving. Sorry about the loud noise. Earlier we had the radio on, but yeah, I'm wearing my new boots today. Why are they dirty? I know. Oh, but yeah, we're wearing my new boots. I look so horrible today. Here, you want a piece of bread? Sorry, guys. We're gonna cut her a little tiny piece of bread. This bread is really good. Like, it's a croissant with chocolate in it. But yeah, we're going Thanksgiving shopping. We just stopped. We were at all of these, I believe. And I just did quick videos because we were checking out. I was like, oh, well, like, let's make a video. I'm really trying to find a standing place for my phone, but I can't. There you go. Nope. But yeah, it's November 21st, and it's 10:47 a.m. Wednesday. We're on Thanksgiving break, so not until Monday. We have the whole week off, so we have 5 days off. Today is our first day off. It's so cold. There's like people walking around and driving into the car, so I'm just gonna talk right here. But yeah, so I'm really happy that we got 11 subscribers. Guys, next goal, 20 subscribers. I know it's a lot. But I want 20 subscribers. I'm trying to do that, guys.
Friday doorbusters are back. Very limited time offer.
Jerry Morning.
We're gonna leave that on. So what are you guys doing right now? I'm outside. I hate this. I don't like this song that much. Cardi B. You don't need my no more. So we guys are done shopping for the day. And yeah, we're just gonna stop one more place and that's it. So we're already going to my house. So yeah guys, hope you guys liked this vlog.